Good morning. Today's we will discuss about the next topic which are related from the monohybrid class or which are related from the Mendel's first rules and second rules, that is known as law of dominance and law of segregation. This is known as Mendel's deviation. This is an example which comes under the Mendel's deviation. Deviation means those examples which are present in our surroundings which not follow the rule of Mendel's. Means those examples which are not follow the rule of Mendel's known as Mendel's deviation. First example and second example, two most important examples are, first one is incomplete dominance. Listen carefully, what are the incomplete dominance? You know that about the dominance? Dominance is when a cross between the one contrasting characters, the F1 progeny get expressed, the characters expressed in F1 progeny is known as dominance, and those characters which are hidden in F1 characters known as recessive. In the case of incomplete dominance, a cross between the two parents, male and female, the F1 progeny, the characteristic features or phenotypic expression of the F1 progeny are in between two and not the dominant or any characters from the parents. Means those characters which comes in F1 progeny from the parents, the type of new characters are produced in F1 generation which are not which are between the twos. For example, let us clear, such as in the case of snapdragon. Snapdragon is a plant, or you can say in Hindi Mirabilis jalapa. You can also say Mirabilis jalapa, 4 o'clock plant, also known as. In case of snapdragon, there are two types of plants are found. The first one is first plants which flowers red in colors, and second plants which flowers in white in color, red and white colors. According to Mendel's, in F1 generation we will get red colors of flower, but in the case of incomplete dominance, neither we get red color or nor we get white color. We will get a new color, we will get a new phenotypic expression that is known as pink color. This is a new color are produced which are in between two parents. Neither red color or nor white color are expressed in F1 generation, but a new color are produced that is known as pink color. This is an example of incomplete dominance. In the case of incomplete dominance, the F1 progeny have developed a new characteristic features from those parents, a new phenotypic expression from those parents. They do not show dominance or Mendel's dominance law. When it will cross to F1 generation, from F1 generation we will get a new ratio, new genotypic ratio, such as capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, small r, small r. And we will get red, pink, pink and white. Red, pink and white. The ratio is to 1 to 2 to 1. The phenotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. This is a new phenotypic ratio which are produced in incomplete dominance. But in the case of Mendel's dominance rule, the phenotypic ratio is 3 is to 1 and genotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. What are the genotypic ratio? Genotypic ratio means genetic constitution, genetic structure. And genetic structure is 1 is to 2 is to 1 in law of dominance. But in the case of incomplete dominance, both the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio are same. So we can say in the incomplete dominance, we can say in F1 generation, they do not show. In the case of incomplete dominance, they do not follow the law of dominance. In F1 generation, we will get a new phenotypic expression when it will cross between the two parents. Is known as incomplete dominance, and incomplete dominance we will see in Snapdragon. And next example is codominance. Codominance is also example of Mendel's deviation. For example, first we will discuss about what are the codominance. Codominance means when we will cross the two parents having one contrasting characters, we will get in F1 generation both the phenotypic expression of the parents. Means we will get in F1 generation both the characters of their parents, and not one parents are dominant according to Mendel's rule. Such as we have crossed a simple example, such as you have seen in dogs, such as this is a male dog and this is a female dog. In the case of male dogs, you know that the color of male dogs is a white, or you can say color of male dogs is a black, and female dogs or bitch have a white color. When we will cross the male dogs from female dogs in F1 generations, such as D, capital D, small d in F1 generation, we will get both the colors of the parents. In F1 generation, we will get both the colors of the parents. That is the new progeny which are produced by the F1, which are produced in F1 generation. It will be black as well as white. Both color. These body are hairs of these dogs having both black and whites. This is known as codominance. And what are the ratio in the codominance? You have seen that D, 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 D. Capital D, capital D, capital D, small d, capital D, small d, small d, small d. This is a black, or you can say black and white, and also we will get to a one progeny will be white. So these are the mixture of colors or mixed colors are produced in F1 generation. What are the codominance? Codominance is when F1 progeny contains the characteristic features of the both parents, or phenotypic expression of the both parents is known as codominance. In F1 generation, from the both parents, no parents or no parental generation or dominance, but in we will get a characteristic features of both parents in F1 generation is known as codominance. And in the case of incomplete dominance, in the case of incomplete dominance, hybrid progeny or F1 progeny do not contains the any characteristic features of the parents is known as incomplete dominance. Thank you.